Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be making some ackee and saltfish. Now ackee and saltfish is the national dish of Jamaica. I don't remember growing up and seeing ackee in Dominica though. So I have had ackee before and I love the taste, and I'm gonna be making it today. So for this you're gonna need some onions. I have one whole onion here, the yellow onion. I have red, green, and orange bell peppers. I also added one pimento pepper, or otherwise known as seasoning pepper. I have spring onions here, also known as chive or scallions, some fresh thyme, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1 tomato. Here I have 16 ounces of salted fish, which is 1 pound, and I have 1 can of ackee. So let's go right ahead. So I'm gonna start by adding the onion and garlic to saute. I'm gonna saute it for about 1.5 to 2 minutes until it's translucent. Okay, it's now been 2 minutes. Next I'm gonna add the peppers. Okay, it's been 2 minutes. Next I'm going to add the spring onion and thyme. And now I'm going to add my saltfish. Now I didn't add any salt because I boiled the salt out like twice. I boiled it in water like twice. So there is some salt remaining in there still. I didn't want to boil everything out. So hopefully it can flavor the entire dish. So because the ackee in the tin, it tends to be soft because it's already cooked, I put it in last. I'm just going to add the tomatoes now. Another 2 minutes again. Just gonna add a little black pepper. And I'm going to make a space in the center where I'm gonna add the ackee and kind of like just fold it in. Just try to cover it up so all those juices. let it just do its thing. Okay. Let's open it slightly. And let it continue to cook. Okay guys, so it is pretty much done. Yep, pretty much done.